Thank you, John. I have the pleasure to introduce to you Lars Berger, Vice President, Renewable Polymers and Chemicals at Neste. Good morning, Lars.
Good morning, Freya. It's a pleasure to be here.
Maybe the first question already came to the minds of some of our viewers. Neste is an oil refining company based in Finland. And how is your company related to the Tech for Biowaste project? Are you using biowaste as a feedstock?
Yeah, actually we do, and it could well be that we are one of the largest users globally even, because Neste, yes, started as an oil refiner, but actually since basically 2 decades we are working in the field of renewable materials and fuels, and this is based largely on waste and residue based materials which are bio-based. So basically we have currently a capacity of 5.5 million tons, and this is all bio-waste one or the other way. Yes, we use it.
That's quite interesting. Did you already have a chance to use the database, Tech for Biowaste database?
Yes, absolutely. So I personally have been using it because as much as we are already a big scale player in this field with this 5.5 million ton, this actually by the end of the decade will roughly be like maybe up to 9 million tons of usage. We need to check always for new technologies which could kind of support our growth, because we are trying to be open for new technologies, and we need to be, because the feedstocks are getting more complicated, so new technologies are needed, and that's where this database can play an important role for us.
And did you find it difficult to find the information that you were looking for, or do you find it easy to navigate the website?
I think it's super easy to navigate. It is, to me, it looks a bit like a combination of a glossary, but also some elements of Wikipedia being in it. So it feels directly home, and you can navigate very easily, I would say.
That's good to hear. So what is the most interesting feature for your purpose of the database?
Well, I would say that's different for different users in the company. I can talk about myself. I really like the kind of overview on the different technology sites, where you then directly can learn about the basics of a technology, and then also have directly examples of different companies or other players, let's say, which are working with this, and this kind of leads you into the topic, and this gives a very good overview, I think.
Is there an important feature missing from your point of view?
Yeah, that's a tough question. I think it's really good. I mean, one thing which came up my mind is kind of how can we make sure that this stays updated? This is always a topic for a database, of course. And how can that clearly be seen that it is really now updated, or on which level, which date, so to say, is the information which was entered? I think that is something which is very important. I think you can get to this information, but it could be thinkable to even improve that by making it more clear. When was the data put in, and how old is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, thank you for your for this input. I think we will consider it. A last question: can you already tell us a problem that you maybe solved with the help of the Tech for Biowaste database?
Well, not really a problem in that sense, but it helped us in screening through some technologies which we're interested in. But I cannot comment further on that.
Okay. Then thank you a lot for being here.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.
Mm-hmm.